Good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Ebony, and today we're running some errands. Yes, we are in the car. We are always in the car. We are always going somewhere. We are always spending money, unfortunately. But I am headed to Walmart. We are officially breaking up with Target as of today. And there's a few reasons why we're breaking up with Target. I went last night. We had our last little conversation. We talked it out. We couldn't work it out any longer. It's just no longer beneficial for us to be in a relationship anymore. So I'm so sorry, Target. Your day has been numbered. At least for now. You know, we always go back. It's just unfortunately, we always go back. But anywho, the Target over here where I live is closed on Sundays. And Sundays are my off days. So, and then any other day after work, it's like, who wants to run or try to catch Target an hour before it closes? It's just not fun. So, I have to get rid of Target for now. And maybe, you know, on the one other day that I'm off during the week, I might can go. But that day is kind of reserved for other things that I have to do for my business. I just don't want to really, you know, run around Target because I'm already exhausted doing other things. Target is a whole event, is a whole other situation that I need to reserve my energy for, and that's just simply not it. But yeah, so I'm headed to Walmart. I made a good list, and I think I'm gonna be successful today. One thing that I'm getting, I was just laying down last night and I was like, you know how the little fenders around your tire, if you guys have like a Jeep or a truck that has those rubber plastic fenders, you know, if they're black, which I'm sure they probably all are, they get that foggy white scummy looking, like soap scum almost looking type thing on there. So I was just like, just making a kind of a list of things that I need to do to my car. And I was like, first off, let's start small. Let's start with the things that I personally can do myself. And I started YouTubing. Shout out to YouTube. I started YouTubing that and I was like, perfect, I can do that. I'm heading to Walmart to go pick up the solution to get the little soap scum thing out of my car. It's gonna make the Silverback look at least 5 years younger. So we're gonna do that today. Also, I need to pick up just a little couple knickknacks from New Jack. And this Walmart has a grocery store too, so I might be killing two birds with one stone going here, just picking up a couple of things for the crib. And yeah, hopefully it's not too crowded, because the first time that I went here, it was crowded based on the strength that I think the Target was closed. So they're like, everybody's going to the Walmart, but we'll see. Hopefully it's not, and if it is, then whatever. Tonight I am going to be washing my hair. I curled my hair like this. I don't know if y'all can really see. This light is disgusting. I curled my hair like this on Thanksgiving Day because I was working on some pictures for New Jack and wore it up in like a high bun situation. Not even bun. High ponytail situation for like 2 days. Last night, I was like, I tied my scarf on, thinking I was going to wake up and wash my hair. And I was like, no, I'm going to just wait till later. And then I was like, okay, let's run some errands. Just took it down and the curls kind of stuck. I'm going to put y'all on to the wand curl that I bought specifically to get the ringlets this small for my hair. This is obviously my natural hair, so it curled it phenomenally. I'm natural too, so it curled my hair phenomenally. And I'm going to put y'all on to that as well. Let me get off this whiny road because I know y'all tired of hitting hydraulics with me. And I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to Walmart. Okay, so I'm in Target. And these are two quintessential things that I have to pick up for the Silverback. Okay, the headlight, because my headlights straight up look like this. I cannot wait to even do that today, just to kind of see what goes on. And then this, the Armor All Outlast Tire Plastic Restorer. So you see the before and after. I'm going to show you guys the before and after on my truck and on my lights as well, so you can see how hopefully these work. I have the biggest problem with going with the quote unquote name brand products, obviously at a higher price. But I know Armor All is a trusted brand. So, you know, especially for me doing this for the first time myself, I'm hoping that these two products potentially will work for my car. I'm like super excited. Maybe I should get like I'm in the section with all the cleaning shit for your cars and stuff. Maybe I can get like a microfiber something, a extra something. You know what? I'll get some mats for my car. That's what I'll get. They don't have them here. On this side, at least. Let's see. Excuse me, doll. Oh, wow. I don't think they have them at all. I'm going to see if I can find them. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so I found them. Now, the ones I have right now are definitely more on the cloth side, and they're gray for the front and the back. Should I go with like the more weather-resistant, harder plastic, you know, spill-proof type stuff? Or should I go just with the... This isn't a bad deal, though. This is like... Ladies, if you know what I'm saying? You know when you out here getting shit for your car, you know what I mean? Us ladies, we got to do this shit too. Trust and believe. I don't know. Ooh, this got a little print on it. Oh. My truck is gray. I don't mind having a black. Ooh. I don't mind having black little things on the floor because shit, I don't even care about all that. I think I'm going to go with this one just because, I don't know, I like that. And then just something quick on the floor in the back. These are just, seems pretty easy. Nothing crazy. Awesome. What else is on the list? All right, Target, it's getting easier and easier to leave you, honey. It's just getting easier. Nah, I think I deadass caught this place like Target twice, and literally Target could never. You go up in Target, Target is fucking empty. They don't got nothing. Look at Walmart. Walmart is just fully stocked on everything. I'm out here getting some. Oh, I didn't start. I'm not gonna even sit up here and lie right now. I signed up for the gym yesterday. So let me just see if I can get some little equipment too while I'm here. Get a little extra, little umph, you know, for the moments I can't go to the gym. I'm gonna do a little something at home. Yeah, but Target could never. Fuck what y'all talking about. I mean, excuse me. Target could just never. They don't have the ability to get the stock like this. It just does not work out in their favor. They're always empty. You can never get absolutely anything at Target. No. Okay, well, all right. Well, looks like they're out of weights, but other than that, I mean, come on. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, come on. Yeah, I might can go for something like this. Yeah, we'll get these. I wanted some of these. 15 pounds? Ooh. Okay, no, that's too heavy right now. Oh. This is how you run into unexpected drip in Walmart and the Targets and stuff like that. Always go to the men's section, ladies. Hello. and look for, like, you know, they always have way better colors for the dudes than they have for us. So this little mustard yellow shirt I'm copping. They also have this rusted color. It's just a small long sleeve shirt that you can throw with your jeans, or you can wear with shorts. If you guys are into like t-shirts that are like long sleeves like me, that have a relaxed cotton fit to them, Walmart has them and they're only $4. So I got this mustard color, and I'm about to get this little rust color too. It's long sleeve. I have so many olive green shirts, it's ridiculous, but for $4 I'm about to get another one. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely the way to go. And I think I had seen like a little orange number that I want to get to. So we're gonna see. This section right here is supposed to be closed off. And this old lady, she definitely just tried to kick me out. I was like, there's quite a few other people shopping here, lady. So you gotta kick them out first, because I ain't going nowhere. I didn't tell her all that, but that's how I felt. I'm like, let me get out of this section because this is not even what I came here for. This is how, okay, Walmart. We about to break up too if you about to be making me spend all this money. Okay, so we're gonna start with the ultra headlights. I put on some gloves because anything that can remove some oxidation from a damn old truck might not be the best thing for my hands. I'm just saying, I don't know. So we're gonna start with this. It comes in a 2-step process, which is the first step is the cleaning wipes, the removal. And the second step is the UV sealant protection. I guess this is something that kind of like seals the, I don't know. So I don't know exactly what that seals, but let's get out. Let's see. Let me show you guys what's really happening. Okay. So this is my headlights. Okay, you see that? Very, very, very oxidized. Bad too. Like, oopsies. Let's see if I can get that. And the other things that I'm gonna show you too, this is what I was talking about as far as like being able to wipe that off. So maybe I'll just do some, I'll come back and see how the midway and show you how that the headlights is going. But let me just try to get this going. Okay, I am thoroughly impressed. Oh my God, sorry, the light is just so bad over here. But do you see the difference? Already from this side to up here. So you're basically supposed to take this and go into a horizontal motion like this, firmly, as hard as you possibly can. Ugh. Wow. It's really doing the damn thing. I'm gonna flip this over on this side. I have to go a little firmer down here. I don't know why. It's a little tougher. But whatever's on here chemically is pretty much buffing this off. I'm gonna just go over this a few more times and show you guys what the sealing on. It's very, very strong. So make sure your nose is like, if you guys decide to use this, make sure your nose is not near because the scent is wild. Now, this side is all complete and done. Shiny. And then this is this side that I have yet to do. That is such a huge difference. Imagine trying to see at night driving with your headlights like this. Like the light is barely shining through. Again, this is one side. That's amazing. So good. Come through Amaral, okay? Look at that. You guys saw the before on that. Look at my headlights. I was gonna spend some good money to get these headlights removed and replaced. Okay, look at these. This is phenomenal. I'm so happy. So happy. I can't actually wait to even drive at night just so I can see like how amazing it looks now. So I'm on to the next DIY, and that is the Raw Outlast Trim Plastic Restore. We're out here trying to do this. If you can see, if I scrape this a little bit, the black is underneath there. It's just this fug that's underneath here. So let's get to that. And came with the actual product. Okay, it says shake it up really good, and it comes with, whoa, just clumsy. Comes with 2 microfiber towels. So you're supposed to put some on the microfiber towel, because I cannot say that for some reason, and go ahead and rub. I really wish I had my stand. I really don't, so I don't know exactly where that bad boy is. So I have you on like a little kickstand, microfiber. Ooh, I don't know how that, and it's supposed to be, oh. Oof. Be careful, because anything that's designed to get crud and shit off your car really is not supposed to be on your skin, if you ask me. So I don't know why I smelled it, but whatever. I'm gonna be generous. I got like this much on here. Oh shit. A little force. Let's see. Let me do the whole thing and then I'm gonna come back. And voila, look what this has done to my truck. You can pretty much see a reflection in that if you look really good. So this is the front tire. If you come to the back just to see the comparison, look at that. This looks pretty much gray on gray. All I have to do is just go to the local Walmart and pick up some solution to get this done. I am so happy it did. It really made this truck look at least 4 years younger once it gets all washed up and everything else. But this is the conclusion of this video. If you guys like DIY videos, just drop a comment below and I'll definitely do some more DIY stuff for you. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and we can kick it again some other time.